Do you know what happens inside your camera when you press the shutter button to take a picture? In this video, I will show you how a camera shutter works in an easy-to-understand form. Shutter speed is defined by how long the camera sensor is exposed to light. A mirror is placed inside the camera at an angle of 4 to 5 degrees, which allows you to look through the viewfinder. When you press the shutter button, a mirror goes up, allowing light to enter the camera instead of the viewfinder. Depending on the selected shutter speed, the mirror will block the view for a moment when you take a picture. What exactly is going on within the camera? For example, when 1/4 is displayed on the screen, the shutter time is 1/4 of a second. This means that the camera is taking in light for 0.25 seconds. If the shutter is 1/125, it's 1/125th of a second. Let's take off the lens and start with the 1/50 setting. The mirror goes up, temporarily blocking the view from the viewfinder. The first shutter curtain comes down and light is exposed on the sensor. After this, the second shutter closes the whole sensor, followed by the mirror. The shutter controls the amount of light that reaches the camera sensor. A long exposure time lets more light in and results in brighter photos, while a short exposure time produces darker ones. Here is the difference between shutter speeds. The shutter is made from metal blades that control the shutter speed by moving next to each other, allowing light to hit the sensor. These blades are also called shutter curtains. You can imagine them as a gate that allows light to enter the camera. This particular camera has a rolling shutter, which means it does not capture the entire image simultaneously. Instead, the picture is taken from top to bottom. This means that the top of the photo is a split second older than the bottom part. A mechanical shutter is just one type of shutter that cameras can have. With electronic shutters, there are no moving parts during exposure. This technique is becoming increasingly popular in mirrorless cameras. If you are interested in how the Apple Watch water ejection system works, check out this video or watch another video recommended for you.